Naka-receive nga po tayo ng payment dito worth 893.30 pesos from HONEYGAIN. So, this is our payout. Hi dear, welcome back to my channel. Before I start the video, meron nga po pala tayong giveaway that's worth 1,000 pesos. Mechanics is on the description if you want to join. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sa mga nagtatanong po kung paano mag-cash out dito sa HONEYGAIN po, so ito po yung aking ginawa. So, win credits daily, pag nag-open kayo ng HONEYGAIN ninyo, sa open na jar, everyday po yan meron tayong 20 credits. So, minsan 100, 200, 100, 1,000, ganun. So, meron na tayong 20,200.80 dito. And then, click nyo lang po yung request payout para makapag-payout kayo. So, kailangan po naka $20 na po kayo dito para po maka-payout po kayo. So, as of now, we have 20,200. So, click nyo lang po yung payout. So, new payout request. So, how would you like to receive your payout? So, click lang natin yung PayPal. So, kung gusto nyo PayPal o Bitcoin, ako po ang pipiliin ko po is PayPal. So, are you ready to collect your earnings? $20.20. It usually takes up to 48 hours to process payout request. So, please be patient. So, click nyo lang po yung request payout. And then, meron po kayong security check before continuing. So, meron lang kayong pipilapan. So, kailangan nyo enter yung code dito. Marireceive nyo po yung code through your email. Security check before continuing. We've sent verification code to your email inbox. So, check nyo lang po yung email niyo at nandoon. I-click nyo lang po yung code, yung email nyo, katapos input nyo lang po yung code dito and then click nyo lang po yung submit yung code. So kapag na-input nyo na pa security check before continue, we've sent verification to code to your email inbox. Please enter the code below. So submit code. Your 20, pag nasubmit nyo na, your 20.20 is on its way. So our payment partner telepathy is now handling your sweet money. In 48 hours, you will receive further your payout. So, as you can see, wala na yung 20,000, naging 0 na siya, back to 0 na siya ulit, guys. So, guys, meron din kayong marireceive na email kung paano mag-payout dito. So, susundin nyo lang yung process nila, yung step by step para makapag-payout kayo. So, ganito lang po yung ginawa ko. So, basahin nyo lang po yung email invitation. So, dear HONEYGAINer, congratulations on reaching your payout limit with HONEYGAIN to complete the payout. So, may step register to Tilpalti Incorporation portal by following this link. Fill in your personal details required to execute the payment. Give your desired PayPal account address. It does not need to match the one used of your HONEYGAIN. So wait for your payment confirmation and afterwards receive the money to your PayPal account. So pupunta tayo sa Tilpalti kasi doon po yung payout nila. So, i-click nyo lang po yung link na yan para mapunta po kayo dun sa mismong Tilpalti. Ayan. So, register ang Tilpalti. So, click nyo po yung BLI. Magre-register lang po kayo para makapag-payout na po. Best wishes, the HONEYGAIN team. If you have any question about the payout process, check our help desk. So, madali lang naman po mag-payout dito. Basta susundin po yung instruction na yan. So, mayroon kayo marireceive lagi na email. So, ito na po yung Tilpalti. So, mag-i-input lang kayo. Pag na-input nyo na and registration completed, thank you for registering. Click here to log in. So, ayan. I-fill upan nyo lang po yung get paid easily with Tilpalti Supplier Hub. So, HONEYGAIN. So, input nyo lang yung email address niyo and also your password. So, yun. Naka-register na kayo and then click nyo lang yung login. So this is how it's look like. Get paid easily with Tilpalti Supplier Hub. So select your country and so you can, dahil nasa Philippines tayo, click nyo lang po yung Philippines and then your mobile number sa Philippines, or kung nasa ibang country kayo, input nyo lang, lagay nyo lang yung country niyo and your contact number, and then they will send you a verification code. It will be sent to your mobile device or your mobile number na in-input nyo doon, and then meron text po kayo marireceive. So send code, click nyo lang yung send code. So, if you're done for the address, and then so next na natin is payment method. So, naklik naman natin kanina through PayPal. So, you're all set. Payments will be made per your selections. If you want to review your information, press the back button to review previous forms. So, pwede nyo balikan yon at pwede nyo i-edit. And if you wish to edit any details, click the edit button to appropriate form. After editing, please proceed through steps again. It's final confirmation. Make sure na kailangan tama na po lahat ng mga information ninyo para hindi na kayo mag-edit. So, mahirap kasi kapag merong mga mali tayong information, baka mamaya hindi nyo ma-receive yung payout ninyo. Sayang naman. So, number 3, and then click nyo lang done. So, that's it. Sobrang dali lang naman din, guys. So, papakita ko din yung mga email ni HONEYGAIN. So, may mga marireceive pa tayo na email. So, your next email is this one. Dear HONEYGAINer, welcome to the HONEYGAIN Payouts Portal. Using this portal, you'll be able to track HONEYGAIN payments, send to you, modify your payments. So, matatrack mo siya. So, dun sa supplier portal, dahil nakaregister naman na kayo sa Tilpalty. So, yon. And then, may susunod ulit na email sa atin. Your payout from HONEYGAIN is on its way. So, we've got some news. Great news. Your payout HONEYGAIN payout confirmed and will be transferred to your PayPal account shortly. So, yan. And then, ito na po. Na-receive na natin yung payout natin. 00xmax has sent you payment. And so, ayan po. 0xmax sent you 893.30 pesos. Ayan. So, July 17, 2021. So, na-receive natin yung payment. And then, last email nila is, you've got cash, successful payout from HONEYGAIN. So, yan. A payment of you $18, 893.30 has been sent to your PayPal account today. So, this is my PayPal. So, recent activity, naka-receive tayo ng 893.30 pesos. So, meron tayong balance dito na 924 kasi meron ako dito balance pa noon siguro mga nasa 30 pesos. So, ito yung recent activity natin. So, we have 893. So, from July 17, you receive 893.30 from the user 00xmax. Payment received. Yan. From payouts at honeygain.com. So, yan. So, doon sa mga hindi pa po pala nakaka-download ng HONEYGAIN, so, meron akong review doon. Ilagay ko na lang sa description yung link, yung first review ko. Dito sa HONEYGAIN app. So, may part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 4 na po ito. So, as you can see guys, ida-download nyo lang naman to using my link. At mayroon na kayo marireceive agad na $5. So, yung sa akin kasi before, kaya medyo natagalan ako na mag-payout dito. Umabot din ng ilang months kasi hindi ako gumamit ng link dito dahil dinownload ko siya through website. So, mas maganda po kung meron kayong invitation code or i-click nyo yung basta yung link po dyan sa baba para magkaroon po kayo ng $5 kasi pag hindi nyo po na-click yun, yung link na yun, wala po kayo marireceive na $5. So, proven and tested ko po yun. Kasi wala po ako na-receive kaya medyo matagal po yung payout ko dito. Umabot po ng ilang months. So, as you can see guys, so, yun yung mali ko lang doon. Pero at least, napakadali lang po ng app nito. Wala talaga kayong gagawin dito kung di i-download nyo lang. In-explain ko lang din po doon sa mga ibang review ko dito. Sa mga ibang video ko regarding dito sa ating HONEYGAIN. On my first vlog, kung paano nag-work si HONEYGAIN. Ito yung mag-share ka lang ng internet na hindi mo ng date or data na sa inyong phone na hindi nyo nagagamit. So, mag-share lang kayo ng internet. So, yon, sharing is caring. Char. So, yung mga nasa-send natin, ayun yung ibabayaran tayo sa app natin. So, ayun yung nakukuha nilang mga internet. So far, very safe naman po siya kasi for 8 months na ginamit ko po si HONEYGAIN, wala naman po nangyari sa phone ko. Super safe siya at nagkaroon ako ng payout dito at least siguro, diba, nasa 819, mga nasa 1,000 pesos din yun for free. Saan mo na mapupulot yung 1,000 pesos, diba guys? So as in, download mo lang yan and then ayan, may lilipad-lipad lang na V. Everyday pwede nyo siya bisitahin kasi meron silang binibigay na credit. So as you can see guys, oo, yung credit na yun, yung jar para maging points. So ayan, nagiging, ito yung mga data. So yung mga internet na hindi nyo nagagamit, ayan yung points na nakukuha nila. So meron na tayong ulit 749.55. So ito ito 2 days ko lang to, nag 749 na po ako. So kailangan ulit tayo makapag 20,000 dito para maging $20 ulit para makapag-payout ulit tayo. And you can also invite your friends dito using your link, so para magkaroon din kayo ng points. So medyo maliit lang din naman kapag nag-invite. So mas okay pa rin tong app na ito kasi talagang dito nag-share lang kayo ng internet. So, kikita na kayo guys. So, kahit hindi nyo na siya i-open minsan, basta i-download nyo lang siya sa phone niyo and safe naman po siya. Okay, that's it for today. So, watch nyo na lang po yung mga ibang vlog ko regarding dito sa HONEYGAIN app. So, paano siya nag-work po. So, yun. Lagay ko na lang po yung link sa description. And thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, I hope nakatulong tong video na ito para makapag-cash out kayo, makapag-payout din kayo sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng video na ito. Alright guys, till next time, see ya, ciao!